from. These are first broadcast today. Actually, I was here yesterday, but that was not late our broadcast. So please, as you are joining me, don't forget to like the video. Click on the like button, like the video, and subscribe if you are new. Comment, of course. Tell us where you are watching from, and I want you to contribute as well because I want to know what your own opinion about what you are about to discuss. So you are welcome. You are welcome. So without wasting much of your time, let's start from this very one. There's a video that Oduduwa lady made, and most of the things that she said is actually in Oduduwa language. But thank God for people that understand Oduduwa language. They have interpret what she said. I'm going to play it here. PM shared that video yesterday, and every nation have their own serious-minded people. Armstrong, I can see you. Sonny, Benjamin, I see you, and firstborn, I see you. Please like the video, you guys. Please like the video. And today we are not going to waste much of your time. So hopefully the broadcast is not going to consume your time. This morning time actually, and I believe. Excuse me, guys. Just hold on. Okay, sorry about that. I have to attend to something very, very important. So here is the video that I was talking about. This video, I want you to listen to this video and we may have something to say about it. Like I was saying, every nation has their own serious-minded people. Okay? Yes, she's a woman. Imagine if she's a man. If she have her way, she would have done something, nice to see in regard of about Oduduwa Nation. Today you have Sunday Boho and the Koiki Media and other people who wish to have Oduduwa Nation, but they don't know where to start, how to go about it. And this lady did not hold back her feelings, and she said it the way she felt, which is very, very nice to hear. Okay, this video is from her, and let's hear everything she said.
Good afternoon, fellow Biafrans all over the world. Today is 20th day of August 2024, and I am here speaking to you from a base in Finland. I want to inform every one of you because it has become very imperative as we approach December convention in Finland. You must know certain things. The declaration of the restoration of independence of Biafra that is taking place on the 2nd of December is targeted at achieving objectives. One is the legitimization of Nigeria. Two is the legitimization of Biafra. After the declaration, we are going to have a very long battle because this battle will find out the battle will be fought. We will fight them diplomatically, we will fight them politically, we will fight them internationally, and of course, we will fight them locally. So, the 2nd of December is not after that. Some of you will come and say, oh, there is still military barracks, you are going to have them. But let me tell you, if the Vietnamese fought America for years and succeeded in making America flee, we are ready to fight Nigeria even more than what the Vietnamese did. And we can take out this particular war with force. We are never going into conventional warfare with Nigeria. But the delegitimization will take a different tone. And what I'm trying to tell you today is that you must be prepared for a very long years of battle for the legitimacy of Biafra government. It is not something that happened in one day. It is not something that happened immediately after our declaration on 2nd of December. The 2nd of December will mark the beginning of a very long battle, which we are going to show our determination with our actions and inactions. So, my fellow Biafrans, all I'm here to tell you this afternoon is for you to understand that after the declaration on December 2nd, 2024, the battle begins. And we are not going to stop. If it is going to take us 20 years to fight Nigeria differently than what we did in 2017, we are ready for it. If it takes also 23 years for the Taliban to defeat America and the left alone, we are ready to fight. Since 1967 to 2004, Nigeria was never fighting. The only thing is that we have not fought Nigeria until now. And in this fight, we are still defending ourselves. So 2nd of December will not be seen to the celebration. Do not expect something or any magic to happen. We will make the magic happen. Thank you, and God bless you.
December this year on the 2. Nigeria. Yawa Yoruba kí lẹ̀yin ṣe o. Mo ní kí ni ẹ̀yẹ́wọ́ Yorùbá ìwọ̀n ẹ̀ ṣe ń mú ẹ̀. Ṣé ẹ jókòó kalẹ̀ ní tẹ́tẹ́rẹ́ bí kíní ní tẹ́ ń wò ní? Àbẹ̀wò ṣe jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ti yín. Àbẹ̀yìn tẹ́ ń bẹ̀yìn bẹ̀bọ̀ jẹ́ ní ká sọ ní. Ẹ wọ̀ wọ́n Biafra wọ́n fókọ̀sì bàjẹ́ lórí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Ṣùgbọ́n lẹ́yìn náà ti gbọ́ yẹn. They are going December on the 2 of December. This year 2024. They are going. Biafra is going. Okay, so when Biafra go, Yoruba, what are we going to do? Are we going to still want Nigeria? Cherry, if I see I'm not going to come like your own in the country, when you come like you never come, I change your kids come and get para you in the Yoruba nation. Tell me somewhere. Oh yeah, we want Biafra now. They are going and they mean it. But I be any Yoruba ojú tì. Ẹ̀yin àgbẹ̀yìn bẹ́gbọ́jẹ́. Ẹ̀yin ṣe kó ṣá, ẹ̀yin ṣe ké ṣáájò. Ẹ̀yin tó jẹ́ wípé ẹ̀fẹ́ nǹkan orin láyé yín. Ẹ̀yin tó jẹ́ wípé bá ń gbọ́ fún mi mo yóò èmi ò mọ̀ pé dé pọ̀ mẹ́rin kò pẹ̀lú ọmọ ìgbà yín. Àwọn Biafra ẹnu wọ́n kò. Okay, now ìjọba lẹ ti rí àwọn Fúlàní tó ń disturb wọn ní Biafra. Wọ́n disturb wọn gan kò tó tilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Kò tó tilẹ̀ Yorùbá bí wọ́n ṣe ń pa wọ́n ní pàkópa nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ̀ rí kọ̀ọ̀kan ṣe sí. Ìjọba sọ pé náà Yorùbá nìṣà náà nonsense bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ kiri. Ṣèbọn lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn, ó yá déètì wo ni Yorùbá announce? Déètì wo lẹ fẹ́ bẹ́yìn náà fẹ́ kúrò ní Biafra? Ó mà ṣe o. Àmì déètì wo lẹ́yìn náà sọ pé fẹ́ kúrò nínú wọn Nàìjíríà ó jẹrè.
Okay, so you have heard what she said, and I'm not going to say much before. I'm not going to say much about it unless I show you the translation. I think I have someone took his time to explain most of the things that she said, and let's start from this one. The person said the matter plenty, but here are the most important points she made. Now let's go through it. First, Biafra have one foot in Nigeria and one foot in Biafra. This is actually wrong. The writer said that is kind of countering what she said, that having one foot in Nigeria and having one foot in Biafra. That is not true. We have both feet out of Nigeria. So, second point that she made, Biafra have informed the world that they would officially delegitimize Nigeria on 2nd December. Third, Biafrans are very serious about their exit from Nigeria. And the sovereignty of Biafra, unlike the Afonja, that's the guy is quoting, trying to expatiate what the point that she made here. Unlike the Afonja / Yoruba Renew, a miscreant, they call them miscreant. Like, I mean, it's very funny. I don't like that word. 4 points. Afonjas are suffering and smiling under one useless Nigeria. That's what the point that this lady made. That's what this guy, because I don't understand what she said in Yoruba language, but this can help you to decode the message that she passed. Why their families are getting raped and slaughtered by barbaric terrorist state sponsored. Then fifth, one day Yoruba will sleep in Nigeria and wake up in Yoruba nation after Biafran leaves. But are they prepared for sovereignty and freedom? What would happen to them? What is their fate? Basically, she wants Afonja to stop their nonsense and join real Yoruba nation advocates to have their roadmap to freedom and sovereignty, because Biafra is already here. That's what this guy said. And there are many comments under here. And one thing I want us to pick from what she said is this. Excuse me. You know, every country, like every nation, yeah, you may say it's every country because we are all different countries. Every people have their own real people that have, you know, no matter, she's in Nigeria, I believe, and despite all the propaganda going on social media, she still admits, she still know what the right thing to do as a Yoruba woman. Why some men, people that call themselves men from supposedly Oduduwa people, because some of them are not even, their identity and their DNA need to be questioned in Oduduwa land. Because how can you say, just like we are questioning many of our own, how can you say that you want freedom, at the same time you hate somebody who is actually calling for freedom? Is that not madness? So you wish there's a guy, okay. Is it possible for me? No, the video is not with me now. I have played that guy video many times. The one who said that PM, that Simon Ekman hand will touch you. That the reason why they have not bundled himself, not PM, to Nigeria is because he has a Finnish citizenship and all that. How many of you remember the guy? So he's a man, and compare what that guy said with what this lady is saying. Who is more, you know, civil, and who is more, who is making important points between two of them? You can see that the lady is winning, right? Because she understands the problem at hand. She know. Whereas the other guy, his own focus is how hand will touch his father, right? And this lady is telling you that Biafrans are serious, and she's just worried what will become their fate. What are they going to do when this thing happened? Some people may say that she don't know what she's saying, that to do one nation. Like I've seen some people calling Koiki names, just like we have some people calling Biafran government names and all that. But the end will just find a miss. Last, I see your comment. You deleted it already. Chuka Ihebike said, good morning, bros. Sky Report. Thank you so much. Good morning to you. Alozian Bruce, good morning. Brother Kai Ndewo, all hail Biafra, we must continue. Last said, good evening from here, Kai Report. I wish you best of luck to all your endeavors. Thank you so much. And Armstrong is asking you to like the video. Please do like the video. It is very, very important. If you have liked it before, please don't click on it again, because you are taking the one you have given. So there's no point. Just once you have liked it, don't like again. Okay. And if you are new, please subscribe. Okay, let's go to other things. Because I promised you that I'm not going to spend much time this morning with you. So I will just try my best to manage the time we have. We have many things to share, but we have other things to do as well. So this is not the only thing we're going to do for the day. And we have okay. Where will I start from this one? Okay, let me share this with you. Let me share this with you, and we can say something about it. For if you don't understand Igbo language, I'm very, very sorry. Very, very sorry. Now, this is a Yoruba man, okay, and this is an Igbo person. But when you hear their both of them, their conversation, some don't even know, because some of us and even some Oduduwa people don't believe, or they don't know that they have a lot of Yoruba living in Igbo land. This man happened to be the Ezendi Yoruba, or Oba of Yorubas in Enugu State, in eastern part of Nigeria, eastern part of in Biafra land. All right. He speaks Igbo better than many people who claim they are Igbo. Okay, and I just wanted to hear the conversation. Then I will say what I want to say about this video.
Now so fast now what I know so even I was them on open man hanuke on hanuke or so yeah when you man was kobo now what I was so manamu achori gwa una ogu na radio Nigeria Enugu yes and ada come there program amalu radio for our yes the man na akpo stay na state in the na say na spano ya ko ni ma omenene 19.5 and I'm going to run the program so
I told you call line if you put it again
I put in the start about how you go back Paul we see also okay mana stena ne kam una family na we mara no be on street. Hama was number 2 of your master. Orgo Arrow, Eritona, Metiopo, Jimarana, Manda Buba, you are good up where I need Mambono, London, Open acquaintance one day when I had my happy Jordan Hegadium, when I put to back of the Guayma. Well, Lota. I want to can do Manobo also be in a family arm. Now, Bolam, which moved out. That's the moment. Maranu, Adagum, Mambani Chosa, Ozana Patata, Bani Chios, Adambe, Bamaka, Osaguna. None all young witch also.
As in God joy, Kedo, it's not a good idea.
Listen, I was you are looking for my trouble. Say that, okay, let me start from the beginning. Actually, I can see some comments. He said, Kai, keep the good work rolling. Biafra is our hope for freedom. Helen Peters, I see you, my sister. Nice to have you back. Thank you. Greeting, my brother. Thanks for your support in this struggle. I appreciate you, my sister. And Prince CK said, good morning. Buchi John, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, lovers of freedom. Wesley said, Kai, Yorubas are funjas, want to sleep, but you won't let them sleep. Why? I have nothing to do with them, to be honest. I'm just trying to, share to them that those bigotry, those people that are yapping nonsense about Igbo, Asma, Igbo this, Igbo that, always looking for a rain or mockery of this world. People that are not even actually Yorubas. Most of them are Efulefus in Yoruba land. Yeah, we often call them Afonjas. But Efulefus have more deeper meaning than Afonja. Afonja is a betrayer. But Efulefus is stupidity, comprises of stupidity, illiteracy, laziness, inability to think. You understand? All this is combined in the meaning of Efulefus. Efulefus will have more deeper meaning. Okay, to us, I don't know about Afonjas. Maybe Afonja have more deeper meaning to you. Maybe you have a very good definition of Afonja. But to me, Efulefus is more spiritual in terms of the meaning aspect of it. So this is, just imagine, they will tell you that, oh, leave our land, you are in our land, go, Igbos are here, Lagos is your London, you don't have any place like. Then they don't remember that you also have people, your own brothers, that lives in other communities. Like I said, the difference between Yorubas living in our land and Igbos living in their land, this is the difference. Yorubas, when they come to your land, in Igbo land, they want to, you see them acting as if they're afraid, they are panicking. They are not bold enough, right? Because not that they don't have the strength or don't want, but you ever believe that respecting you in your land is normal, is the best thing to do. Whereas Igbos believe that, yes, I am in your land, but I still know my right. You can. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Igbos believe that the Igbos expect you to welcome them more, just like the way they will welcome you in Igbo land. Like this man you are seeing here. No, if anybody dare to talk to him, try to, segregate him or trying to show this kind of tribal issue in Igbo land, you see somebody who don't even know him will fight a fellow Igbo man for his sake. That is our people for you. People don't know this. Until you live in Igbo land, you understand what I'm saying. The reason why you see people coming to your religion, that you are not, coming to your tribe and want to feel at home, want to, excel, want to communicate with you, want to know more about you. They are not afraid. They are not shying away from making that kind of approach. It's because this is what they give other people in their region, and they expect you to do that for them. When you fail to do that for them, they'll feel that you are not welcoming, that you hate them. That's it. Then Yorubas, they will be quiet. They will turn to red oil in your land, and they expect you to do the same thing in their land. So when they see Igbo people in their land having different mentality, expecting them to respect them the way they respect other people in their own land, and Yorubas are not doing that. Yorubas want to show you, want to rub it on your face that this is our my land. You understand? This is my place. Igbos don't find it easy with that. Then the North will come to your land and they want to remind you that, yes, this is your land, but I have this land more than you. If you do anyhow, they will show you anyhow. They will plan. You may think that you're overshadowing them. They will go back and reinforce against you again, which Igbos don't do, Yoruba don't do. You can see the difference, right? Now, this man here, some of us, even me, have criticized Igbos having their Ezendibo in Lagos, Ezendibo in Oyo, Ezendibo in Ondo, Ezendibo in, that I don't like it. And he is Ezendi Yoruba in Oduduwa land, in Igbo land, I mean, sorry. Okay, just listen. Let me allow him to finish what he's saying, then I will be right back.
Okay.
Ma uoku.
Okay.
Awof.
Okay.
Ma bonini.
Okay.
Makenu makana. Wezi ya sabai na ta azulu mama. Duwa dem ma wezi nuku kwa. Mama na nuku kudini. Ring road. Webe mama. Nuku church de fada.
Okay.
Mama. Webe ma setatoni. Webe mama. Kamba kembe aro.
Hey, eno unugo obodo. Okay, we have one of our mothers. Only of them were all you know.
But I was
you can see how he's speaking Igbo fluently, right? He speaks very, very good Igbo language, very, very good one.
Ki ya mama onye ahụ ozugbo mmadụ ozugbo oge nwere efuga na sị ebe chọọchị afụta mana akpakọta ihe dị ka mmiri si were mmanụ obi ụmụala ọ bụ Naijiria si otu a dị nwa bụ onye ọ bụla efugo na onye Hausa kịta na-asụkwa asụsụ Hausa amụrụ m Igbo Hausa jere m Igbo Hausa ma na-asụkwa Hausa so ife onye Hausa ọ dị m ka nwanne m ife onye Igbo ọ dị m ka nwanne m ọ bụ ego asụsụ nchekwa nwanne m ka Chineke nyere anyị aka
ebe onye ọbụla nọ ya na-eme ezigbo ife n'ụwa
Okay, and he said that if Nigeria can be like this, it's not going to be like that. So don't expect that. That's just a wish, but it's not going to be like that. Anyway, I want you to hear, just listen to this.
Million naira bounty on Nnamdi Kanu. Oh yes, we should have known. He said, we should have known that something was enough. When a group of people came out and announced a 100 million naira bounty on Nnamdi Kanu. Oh yes, we should have known there was a plan. Watch.
We are placing a bounty of 100 million naira. We are placing a bounty of 100 million naira as an offer to anyone who can produce Nnamdi Kanu alive.
Yeah. Did you know that a group of people in Nigeria can come together and do something like that? Did you know? I didn't know that. I didn't know it's possible. That is lesson number 1. Write it down. You learn from the nuts.
Yeah.
We are emphatic about how they wanted Nnamdi Kanu arrested later.
Please take note. Whoever can produce Nnamdi Kanu alive, hale and hearty, uninjured.
Yes, baby. And that was exactly how Nnamdi Kanu was produced in court. Here is the next thing the man said.
For onward delivery to security agencies for his continuous prosecution.
Yes. Next time another shekau rises in the north and starts burning down churches and destroying businesses of people from the south, instead of praying for God to intervene, people should place a bounty on his head. Learn from the north. Just a minor question. The UN said the other day that Boko Haram had killed over 350,000 Nigerians. Look at it. Yes. Now. And the majority of these people killed, they were from the north. If they had this money, why didn't they put $1 billion naira on the head of Abubakar Shakir?
The reason is because those they killed are Christians. Those they killed have different religion from them. It's not about being from the north, but what is your religion? So Dr. Timothy, you should know this, of course, but maybe you don't want to say it because you don't want to bring religion issue on your platform. But there's something you can hide from. There's something you can't hide from. Something that is about to swallow you. Why must you shy away from talking about it? You have to talk about it. Otherwise, either you destroy that or that will destroy you. So which of them are you going to choose to do?
Why? Okay, I know. They were afraid that when captured and sent to the government, he could repent, and the government would bless him, and he could even be Nigeria's president tomorrow. They were afraid of that. Not from the north.
An ex-Boko Haram stands having laid his arms and turns his way away from his negativity. He stands to be a president of this country. He stands to aspect any position in this country.
Yeah, he said it. Here's another lesson. What?
Every property of any northerner that has...
No, before that, let me say this. That an ex-Boko Haram member having laid down his arms and willing to embrace what they present for him, stand a chance of being president of Nigeria. But Biafrans that fought for freedom without trying to invade anybody or destroying churches or Muslims or mosques, Okay, they're trying, not even those that fought in the war, their children trying to become president that we're talking about can never ever be president. You see, this is the same thing Obasanjo talks about, using Igbo against Igbo. And Igbo man, after knowing this, we never want to deliberate on what this man said here as a northerner. And no Igbo person, no Biafran will have the guts from when I'm talking about Biafrans that have changed their name, changed their identity, that they want to be Nigerian politician and all that. They don't have the balls to say what this man is saying here. Never, ever, ever. If only that they feel that you are nursing Biafra in your mind, not that you are participating, that you are nursing it. You are not even. They are not going to appoint you in any ministerial position, but their own mentality and ex-Boko Haram, having laid down ex-Boko Haram who have killed innocent people, not even in war, terrorizing societies and destroying people. When you are sleeping, they chop off your head and all that. The person stands a chance of being Nigerian president. Whereas people who thought that they would be free, okay, without even committing any war crime, they don't have chance to even get close to a vice president, let alone being president. And you are in one Nigeria.
Negativity. He stands to be a president of this country. He stands to aspire to any position in this country.
Yeah, he said it. Here is another lesson. What?
Every property of any northerner that has been destroyed, we are saying that the government of those states, that those incidents happen, must pay our people.
Get out of here, man.
Yeah. Some Eastern governors have actually, out of fear, like, what is the name of this governor of Anambra State before? The one that they said that he loved to drink well. Ex-governor before Soludo. What is the name of that man? The governor that participated in kidnapping of Mass Namandekan, I believe, or I think, yes. Okay, I think he have gone before the kidnapping of Mass Namandekan. That man, Obiano, yes, I can remember that. Obiano paid Fulani people in the Anambra State compensation. Thank you, Wilson. He paid them because he was afraid of what Northerners will do to him as a governor. So if your governor is afraid of him, imagine what people who are not even in Nigerian politics, who are not holding any power, don't have any contact, don't have any connection, how fearful they will be when Northerners are being mentioned. But Biafran is here. That's the only thing. If not, that, you see, Dr. Lemetis is talking about it somehow, using to make a kind of a jokingly speaking about it, speaking facts in a comic way. But there's nothing funny about this. You should pay attention to the intention of these Northerners and what they actually mean. When it happened to them, the reverse is the case. Listen.
Is that even possible? Why didn't all of you Southerners know this? That you can demand for compensation. Why?
You must pay compensation.
Wait. Let us count how many times Southerners have been attacked in the north. Let's count them. Can you?
Okay.
This is endless. Just 1945. Kano, 1950. This were before independence. Oh yes. All of northern Nigeria, 1966. All of northern Nigeria, 1967. Kano, 1980. Maiduguri, 1982. Jimate, 1984. Gombe, 1985. Kaduna and Kafanchan, 1991. But
almost every year they are slaughtering you in the north. Guess what happened? Those that remains will come back and bring their brother to open more shop and build more home in the north. You see the shit in the Bible. You can hear the years. You can hear the years. Year after year, year after year. Not that killed one person. There's a document that I saw before I started broadcasting. I wish I can lay my hands on that document now. The list of killings in the north, okay, you will see those lists. In fact, it is every year that slaughter people in the north. Those you know, those you don't know. And most of the people that did not, 99% of the victims then, before the bandit and the Boko Haram started, was Easterners and some Westerners, of course. But you know, in every community, you will have more Easterners than any other tribe, apart from the indigenous people of the place. After like you go to Kebbi State, after Kebbi State, after original people, the indigenous of the Kebbi State, the next people that you get their population are Igbos. In every part of Nigeria is like that.
Katsina and Kano, 1999. Zango Katau, 1992. Bauchi, Katsina and Kano, 1991. Zango Katau, 1992. Funtua, 1993. Kano, 1994. And so on and so forth. Hey, so many. Almost every year since then.
You must pay compensation.
And as a show-off, the man reminds us that he is a master of dramatic irony. Watch him.
We will no longer tolerate the destruction of properties of our people anymore. If not, we have done it in the past, we will do it again.
Hey. Oh, who did this to us? Who did this to us?
Okay. And nobody did it to you. The only problem is that we choose to be myopic. We choose not to pay attention to the history. The same man, remember, the same people that are telling you that you have to pay compensation, you have to do this, you have to do that.
You see, we should have known that some.
We actually, coming to an end of this broadcast because, like I told you, we are not going to watch much time, and I can say that we are heading to 40 minutes. So let me round up with this one. This is from a northerner. Let's just read. This person you are seeing here is a bandit, one of the bandits from the north. One, he's wearing an army uniform. That if you wear this army uniform in the southeast, your name is sorry. Okay, and in the east, you dare not own anything like live ammunition, what you are seeing here. You can see my cursor. You can see the mouse moving here. This is AK-47. You can see it here. This is a bandit without marks. There's a young person, as you can see here. Now let me allow him to talk. Okay, let me see if I can be, if you may, let me see if you can have some translation, because I can see there's a, let me start from the beginning. My name is Mwanga, and I am a teacher at the University of Hawkinson. I am a teacher at the University of Hawkinson, and what again? My name is Why are you repeating the same thing? I believe that God has given us the strength to do what He wants us to do. God has given. God has given us strength to do what He wants us to do. I think they are repeating the same thing again. God is the creator of the universe. He is the creator of the universe.
Kuma kowa ya san inda muke. Kuma abin da yasa nace muku kowa ya san inda muke, tunda duk abin da muke yi, kowa ya san daga inda muke hituwa muna yin abubuwan mu, don Allah don Annabi mu dawo mu gyara. Ku kuma zan dawo ta kanku sojojin rabin wajen mu, kuma da izinin ta Allah gaskiya ni ma zai maku bayani. Idan kuma kun yarda don Allah don Annabi mu dawo da mu da ku mu ji daɗin kowa. Don Allah ku bai mu irin wannan tafiya. Idan kuka ga mutane
God is one who gives us the strength to do so.
Za su ci yanzu a wanga lokacin da ake bai a ce a titin ga wai shi mutum bahulata ni bai da ikon bi ne. Don Allah don Annabi mu dawo, don Allah mu gyara kanmu. Abinda muke gaskiya bai dace ba.
I want you to understand that God Almighty,
in ji Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, wannan abubuwan da muke yi gaskiya ba a bisa kanmu muke yi ne ba.
Is the one who created us. I think the translation may not be complete. I doubt, because he cannot be speaking this long and the translation will be this short. I don't believe that.
Wannan harka ce ta jahilci wadda Allah ba zai taɓa yarda da ita ba. Kuma mu ma idan mun ka mutu cikin wannan harkar mun san Allah ba zai taɓa yahi muna ba.
You understand that God Almighty is the one.
Abinda muke yi mun san kuma mu ma Allah yana sane da shi ya. Mu ma mun san haƙƙin ɗan adam da mun ka ɗauka mun ka ci gaskiya ba za a.
I am very grateful to God for this opportunity.
Mu kuma dole mu ta san mu kan matsayi, mu an san mu kan mu inci. Don da abin da zan faɗa muku, kuma da kuna da tunani, abin da ake muna, kuma za a yi muku. Abin da ake muku, mu ba za a taɓa muna shi ba. Tun da mu yanzu ana iya a zo a rugagen Fulani a kashe mutane mutum fiye da 10. Idan haɓace ba a ɗauka.
Imagine kidnapping people in the name of God. I mean, imagine killing people. Imagine killing people in the name of God, that God has given you strength. And one thing that baffles me is that people who are victim of this thing will still believe that this God have the power and the strength that he claims that he do. So why is it that your God is not giving you your own power to defend yourself from them? Guess what? Do you know their God, that the God that he's talking about? Their brothers in federal government. That's the God that he's talking about. The God that given us strength. When they commit something, when they commit evil on you, you should understand, okay, that God is in charge. But when you reply, you have committed crime against government. We need to wake up, to be honest with you. And the voodoo from these people is actually working. After seeing somebody like this guy making video publicly, telling the world, you can see. Let me take it again. Let me show you again. So it's not be as if I am making it, lying or creating fake news. Now, what you are seeing here, can you keep quiet? What you are seeing here is the catapult that he's using. You can see it. Maybe he don't know that the catapult can appear here. He's a bandit. No. Okay, you may say that Biafrans are creating fake news. Now, we are not the one sharing anything. Not the one. Not even from Biafran news platform. This is from a Northerner. You can see the name of the Northerner. You can go and watch it on your own if you are doubting. Look at it. Not from Easterner. Not a Northerner saying this. Bandits are now openly using TikTok in Nigeria, but only those who protested against bad governance can be traced, arrested, and charged with treason. Only in Nigeria, right? Only in Nigeria. Anyway, let's go to another thing, please. I don't want to. For those, some of you that are saying Abamed is this, Abamed is that, as Igbo man, when other tribe are calling, insulting you about Abamed, about product, about this, about that, some of us, I love what this guy said here through media. He said, young lady market her Abamed wears in London. Abamed shoes, bars, and clothes are already being displayed in some African countries. Made in Aba is already a household name in Nigeria. And Aba manufacturers are working hard to make it global. The only thing we need to know, because we don't appreciate what we have. Some people believe that Aba made products that are all bad, they're all bad. I've said this in the past, I'm saying it again. Not all the products made in Aba is bad. And just like not everywhere is made in abroad is good. But other tribe that hate you, that wish to be like you, will use it against you. Oh, Aba made is a fake, Aba is a fake. Then you ask them, where is the original one from your own tribe? Where is the original one from your own tribe? They don't have anything to offer. People who don't even who don't even know how to use needle to stitch just little place in your clothes. They need to fix button on their clothes. They don't know how to do it. But they open their mouth, Aba made, Aba, Igbo, fake. Then your own, how original is your own? You don't even have anything, let alone being fake. Now, let's hear this, our sister. Even though, and you see some other tribe from Nigeria moving around her, walking, they just passing her, look like this one. You see the face, you see the one, they throw their face because they can't believe it. That an Igbo lady is bringing Igbo product here. She can't wait to leave this place. You see? They hate it. Just like what they're doing, look at their face. Just like the one they're doing in Nigeria. I'm going to release the voice of this lady, and she don't care. People who love what is good are doing the needful. I'm not saying that everybody from other tribes hates Aba products, but 99% of them are using it against you, thinking that they're using it against Igbo people. At the same time, they don't know that they're actually hurting their own economy because ordinarily Aba man or the go have Ama too. For now, until Biafra comes, then it becomes Biafran business. Now, let's continue. Let me start from the beginning so you can hear whatever all this she said.
Oh my God! I need to patronize yes! Aba is the China of Africa, yes! Yes! Everything Susie, come and see your sister. Stand 85. Uncle.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for your time. We have come to an end of this broadcast. We are going to come back again later, and hopefully you will like the video. And before you go and subscribe to our channel, don't forget to comment and tell us what you think about all we have discussed with you. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye for now. Take care.